Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.